What is up, all you credit repair business owners? You guys asked me, and I'm gonna deliver. You guys asked, Blade, how does this AI booking bot work exactly? Well, let me show you right now.
Okay, so I conversated this whole thing out just 5 minutes ago before, and just to save you a lot of time, I'll show you exactly what went down here. So the bot went out and said, "Do you want to book an appointment?" I said, "Sure, that sounds good." It said, "What time of day works best for you?" I said, "I prefer afternoon." It said, "What date are you thinking of?" I said, "How about tomorrow?" It looked up in the calendar to see exactly what was available. I went ahead and tried to fool it, and I said, "I'll do 3:30 with no colon here." And it picked up on that and said, "Okay, great. We'll have you all set up for August 10th at 3:30. Does that work for you?" I said, "Yep, that's great." And then it said, "Great. All right. Then August 10th at 3:30 it is then." And boom, it added that appointment automatically. And so just imagine what's happening here. So we are literally using AI and machine learning to conversate people through an appointment using natural language, the way that they would want to actually talk to a person, and we're going back and forth. This allows us to get rid of having to send out a calendar link to people if we don't want to. It really helps take over that kind of flow that we wish all of our clients would do, or all of our employees would do internally. But it does so all using AI, and it's all automatic. So this is a phenomenal innovation on behalf of the dev team. It took them 4 months to get here.